Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing shortcut for multiplying two-digit numbers by 11. Let's take 23 times 11. Here's the shortcut. First, split the digits 2 and 3. That gives you 2 and 3. Next, add 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, place the number 5 between the 2 and the 3. So you get 253. So 23 times 11 equals 253. Let's try 35 times 11. First, split the digit 3 and 5. That gives you 3 and 5. Next, add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now, place the number 8 between the 3 and the 5. So you get 385. So 35 times 11 equals 385. Let's try 46 times 11. First, split the digit 4 and 6. That gives you 4 and 6. Next, add 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Since 10 is the greater than 9, place the 0 in between the 4 and the 6. And carry over the 1 to the top of 4. Now, add the carried over 1 to the 4. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Bring down 0 and 6. So the answer is 506. 46 times 11 equals 506. Another example. 57 times 11. Split the digit 5 and 7. That gives you 5 and 7. Next, add 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. Since 12 is greater than 9, place the 2 in between the 5 and the 7. And carried over 1 to the 5. Add the carried over 1 to the 5. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. Bring down 2 and 7. The answer is 627. So 57 times 11 equals 627. Quiz time. Let's answer this. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Find the product. 32 times 11. Start now. Time's up. So the answer is 352. Another 45 times 11. Time's up. The answer is 495. Next, 71 times 11. Time's up. The answer is 781. Next, 24 times 11. Times up. The answer is 264. 22 times 11. Times up. The answer is 242. Next, 73 times 11. Times up. The answer is 803. Next, 46 times 11. Times up. The answer is 506. 89 times 11. Times up. The answer is 979. 68 times 11. Times up. The answer is 748. Next, 75 times 11. Times up. The answer is 825. And that's how you multiply any two-digit number by 11 faster than ever. Thanks for watching.